The centerpiece of your next holiday gathering has to be this barbecue beef tenderloin made with Head Country original barbecue sauce and served with a delicious creamy horseradish. First, you'll want to set out your beef tenderloin for 1 hour at room temperature. The horseradish sauce is made with a combination of sour cream, horseradish, mayo, salt, pepper, and freshly chopped chives. You can make this up to 1 day in advance and just set it in the fridge until you're ready to serve. Once your beef tenderloin has rested at room temperature for about 1 hour, it's time to trim and tie your beef tenderloin. Most likely your butcher has already trimmed it for you, but you can also request that they tie it off as well. I just do mine at home. All you need to do is space the ties evenly all the way up the length of the beef tenderloin and tie each one off with a simple knot, making sure to cut off the excess with a pair of kitchen shears. Season generously with salt and freshly cracked black pepper before adding it to a skillet with hot oil to sear it on all sides. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes per side to sear, so about 10 to 12 minutes total. Once you've let the meat sear, it's time to pull out the Head Country barbecue sauce. I personally love to use the original flavor, but you can use honestly any of their flavors. They go great with beef tenderloin. Be sure to apply a generous layer on both pieces, and then you'll also want to apply another layer about 10 minutes into cooking. Roast for a total of 15 to 25 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's reached your desired doneness, go ahead and remove it to let it rest 15 minutes before slicing and serving with the creamy horseradish and your favorite sides.